Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi TT door mirror. First, you'll need a non-marking tool to gently pry the mirror glass away from its housing. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic clips can break. Once the glass is loose, disconnect the two electrical connectors for the heating and motor functions. It's important to put the mirror glass somewhere safe to avoid any scratches or breaks. Next, look inside the mirror assembly for a retaining clip or bolt that secures the main housing. You'll need to ease this up or remove it. If you encounter any resistance due to corrosion, a little penetrating fluid can help loosen things up. With the clip or bolt addressed, you can then gently pull the entire mirror housing upward, separating it from the mirror base. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. Now, you'll need a Torx T30 socket to remove the main bolt that holds the mirror's neck to the door. This bolt can sometimes be corroded, so proceed with caution to prevent stripping it. Once the bolt is out, carefully feed all the electrical cables through the mirror head housing. It's crucial to take your time here, ensuring that no wires are snagged, pinched, or damaged as you pull them through. To reinstall your Audi TT door mirror, simply reverse the steps we've covered. Make sure all electrical connections are securely reattached and that the cables are routed correctly. When tightening the bolts, refer to your vehicle's specifications. Typically, the housing bolts are around 2 Newton meters. Double-check everything for a snug fit and proper function. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.